Hi, this is Josh with Resort TV 1, and today we're taking you on a full tour of a 2-bedroom lock-off suite here in the DVC section of Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, the Kidani Village section to be exact. So we hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to leave us a like and a comment as well as subscribe if you haven't already done so. So let's go inside. I love this entry area here on the door. We'll go into the 2-bedroom area first, or the main area with the living room, and then we'll head over into the lock-off portion. So you can already see as you come in, the living room is just really amazing. It's beautiful. Got this beautiful wood table here. Everything is really nice. I love this African artwork here. Multicolored swirls. The dark wood just really adds to the decor of the room. And then of course we've got this gigantic, probably 70-inch TV, I guess. It's just really amazing. It's a very comfortable looking chair there. And again, the artwork is really nice. This is a really spacious room too. It's a great place to eat. Comfortably seat 4 or 5 people there at the table. So you could probably seat 5 if you put 3 on the bench there. Maybe pull up some chairs, and then you've got, of course, a couple stools at the bar. Really spacious kitchen with granite counters and really nice appliances there. And of course, I believe this is a sofa sleeper. So there's the sofa sleeper. We don't have to pull that out. I think everybody kind of gets the idea there, but really nice place to sit and watch TV during the day, and then 2 people can sleep there at night. There's some other great artwork. And before we go outside, we'll show the master bedroom. And I know one of the biggest attractions here, of course, at Animal Kingdom Lodge is going to be the outside savannah view, but this master bedroom is pretty amazing here too. Look at the artwork on that headboard there. Huge king-size bed, really nice chair over there, and then you've got those 2 lions there on the headboard. It's great woodworking there on that. And the amazing thing about this is you've got a deck. It actually connects to the other deck in the room, and we'll see this in a minute, but you can see a giraffe right there just outside the window. And then there's a desk, place to put your luggage, and of course a TV and a dresser. And I love how on all these TVs, I haven't pointed this out yet, but they've got these USB ports here where you can charge your devices. Of course, they've got power outlets too, but you can charge your devices and not have to worry about using the power connectors, so that's really helpful as well. Let's head on into the master bathroom here, which is really big. Hello. You're going to see me in the mirror here, but this is just really nice, very luxurious. Wow. Look at that. This is one of the most beautiful bathrooms, I think, in any resort that I've stayed at. This is just amazing. Very amazing. And that's right above the tub. So you can sit and relax after a long day at the parks. Nice hot bath. And then you've got this beautiful view here that actually stretches all the way into the shower. It's just incredible. Hello. Got my phone and my gimbal for this one, you can see. And just a little place for the toilet there. I'm curious to see what's in the closet here. Oh, just a nice place to hang your clothes and a little safe for your valuables down there. That's nice. All right. Okay. So the balcony is the same in either side of the room. So let's head out to the balcony before we go over to the 1-bedroom. That's the extra bedroom that they'll lock off. Now we have both of these thanks to the Tobin family. They're over here and we're over on the other side. But so we'll show you that. But you can just get the 1-bedroom side, or you can get just the 1-bedroom suite on this side, or you can get the the one bedroom by itself that's not a suite over there on the other side. So this is the suite side, and then with the living room, and then the other side, of course, is just the bedroom. Or you can get both, and then it's a 2-bedroom. So here we are outside, and we've got this beautiful view. Got a little construction going on here too, but it's a beautiful day. And here's the savannah right in front of our room, and got some giraffes here just munching away on some leafy greens there. And it's just really peaceful to watch. There comes another one. It's very, very cool. And you can actually see Jumbo House over there on the other side. There's Jumbo House right there, and so that one actually is the main part of the resort, and this is the DVC section of the resort. So Jumbo House is the main lodge, and then Kidani Village here is the DVC section. So that is Jumbo House over there with the big straw roof. So anyway, but this is the savannah area for Kidani Village on this side. There are 2 horseshoe-shaped buildings here. So, and the deck here is really, really big. It actually connects to the master bedroom, and you've got the deck from the master bedroom here, and then the one I just came out from the living room. But then the one from the Lockoff actually is separated by a wall. So that is one thing, but I think that was a smart idea. Of course, you can kind of see over here. Even though we have both rooms, you would have to go through the Lockoff door to get there, and I think that's a good plan. So probably if you were staying here as a family, everybody would probably hang out on this balcony and watch the animals just together as a family. Or I guess if you wanted some private time, you could do that as well. So it's one of the nice things about the flexibility of a room like this. All right, so back inside, we're going to head over to the 1-bedroom by itself side. And this is basically just like a regular Disney room. You've got the bathroom here, just a standard bathroom, 1 sink and toilet. And then you've got just a regular shower here. So nothing too fancy here. This is just a regular room, but it's nice that it connects so well. And I guess one thing that's not as much like a regular room here is the kitchen area. And so the kitchen area, it's like got a little kitchenette with a little mini fridge, and also the microwave there and the sink. So you do have that does separate it from a regular room. And so you've got actually TV there and dresser. And this room has 1 queen size bed. Beautiful headboard. Look at that. So you got the 1 queen size bed here, and then you've got sofa sleeper here. So if you've got 4 people, you can just go ahead and with the sofa sleeper, you can go ahead and just pull that out, and you can have your 4 people here. So, and there's a little sitting area in this side. So you've got 2 chairs for people to sit, and then you've got also the balcony out here on this area. And I had to run up here to get the video before the room was before everybody was in the room, but I found somebody. Not all the rooms come with agenda, but this one does.
This one comes with agenda.
Oh my gosh, look at this. I just noticed on the chairs over here, these are zebra chairs.
Aw. Are they like zebra domes?
I don't know.
Not as yummy.
Not as cool.
You could eat zebra domes from your zebra chair.
There you go. This is cool.
It's a very nice room. I really love. I was telling the people on the video here. I really like the
Internet webs.
yeah, on the internet webs. I really like the artwork here on the back of the headboard. It's really nice, and in the master room is really nice as well.
Ooh, I can't wait to check it out.
So we're gonna check that out.
That is awesome. I like the headboard. That's cool.
And one thing that I didn't notice the first time I was walking through here is that this is a sleeper chair. It's actually a twin bed in this lounge chair here right by the TV in the main living room. So that's really cool. So you actually have this that sleeps 1, and then this couch over here that sleeps 2, and then of course the king size bed in the master bedroom that sleeps 2. So technically you could comfortably put 5 people in here, which is really, really nice. And of course in the other room you've got 4 in the other room on the 1-bedroom Lockoff. So very cool. So one thing here that also is really, really important, and this is on the one-bedroom suite side of things, is that they do have a washer and dryer here. There isn't one on the lock-off side, but there is one here on the suite side, and also a little vacuum if you want to do some cleaning. So everything you need, your little laundry basket and all kinds of stuff, so that's pretty cool. Well, that's all for now for this full tour of a two-bedroom lock-off room at Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge, Kidani Village, for the Disney Vacation Club. We hope you enjoyed the video, and please remember to leave us a like and a comment, as well as subscribe if you haven't already done so. Also, be sure to check us out on social media. We're Resort TV 1 on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsors, MickeyBlog.com and MickeyTravels.com, for the best and free Disney vacation planning advice. Go check out MickeyTravels.com to book your next trip. Also, be sure to check out WindowRepairParts.us for all your window and door repair needs, and use the coupon code ResortTV1 for 20% off your purchase on WindowRepairParts.us. And finally, be sure to check out Main Street DVCResale.com. See how easy it is to sell your DVC commission-free at MainStreetDVCResale.com. So for now, have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow.
Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great, big, beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.